Your academic job search in quantum computing is broken. You are wasting time on 10 different websites. Hello, my name is Piotr, and I am creator of qubitsok.com, and today I will show you how this one page will replace all of the other job searching sites you are using. So today we are focusing on academic roles in quantum computing. As you can see, right now there are 39 live jobs in academia. You can just go to qubitsok/academia and you are bang, you are here. If you will scroll down, there are only jobs by employers that are basically various type of universities or national laboratories and stuff like that from across the world, and you can find a lot of interesting opportunities in here with great descriptions, key responsibilities, required skills. But I am still very aware that this is quite a lot of work. And instead of you coming constantly to qubitsok.com, you can just simply type in your email, you can send the alerts, you can subscribe to the alerts, and then after you will verify, you can just select uh, employer type. This will you will get an email basically verifying you, and you will get to this page. You will click on Save Preferences, and that's basically it. From now on, every week on Saturday, you will get a fresh batch of new quantum computing only academia jobs just for you. If you will subscribe, it will help me a lot. It is and will be always free. So, yeah. And if you have any feedback, then also let me know. Thank you.